When you lose weight, where does all that weight go? Most people say one of three things. You sweat it out, you pee poop it out, it gets converted into energy or heat. So which of these is right? When your body has to use up stored fat, it converts it into energy by a multi-step process, which can be simplified into something like this. The fat stored in your body and the oxygen you breathe in are combined to form carbon dioxide, water, and energy. For example, in this reaction, in order to burn 10 kgs of fat, you need to breathe in 29 kgs of oxygen and then you breathe out 28 kgs of carbon dioxide and 11 kgs of water. Since the mass of the products come out of both the fat and the oxygen, how do we know what the mass of the fat went? A paper from 2014 tried to find just that. You see, all the carbon in the fat goes into carbon dioxide and all the hydrogen in the fat goes into water. And the oxygen atoms are shared between carbon dioxide and water in a 2:1 ratio. You find that approximately 84% of the fat mass goes into carbon dioxide, which is simply breathed out. The rest, which is 16%, is water, some of which escapes your body through the breath as water vapor, and the rest as sweat, urine, feces, tears, and other bodily fluids. But doesn't fat turn into energy? You see, during a chemical reaction, when bonds between atoms are rearranged, if they go into a more stable arrangement, the reaction releases energy. This energy comes from the chemical bonds themselves, not from the mass. There is an equivalent loss of mass associated with the release of energy, but that is of the order of 0.000000004 kgs for every kg of fat burnt. Absolutely minuscule compared to the scales we're talking about. In conclusion, the weight you've lost is in the air around you.